Now we're on to Canary Wharf. You can hear me jibber jabbering away, but the microphone wasn't working, so I'm talking over it. But yeah, this is the only one that didn't work. So yeah, let's get into Canary Wharf. Enjoy.
Hey, we're at Canary Wharf, number 71, called Nest. Absolutely amazing. And the next one's just here. I don't know if the paint's supposed to be peeling off it. I'm not sure if it is. But hey, we got this one. Number 72. Another one at Canary Wharf here, and this one and the next one is on the bottom floor of the mall. Here's the next one, pretty cool. It's like a, I was going to say carved, but it's like layers of wood. Pretty cool. Let's go hunting, get cracking on. So this is reality of nature, nature of reality. We're getting through Canary Wharf pretty good now. Now we haven't got the bright orange suit on. We're not attracting any attention today. So yeah, got this one. Let's crack on to the next. Beautiful views here. You got all the buildings, you got the Thames behind us. Oh, I would have totally missed this one. There's two markers on the same, the two markers at the same place. So yeah, the one was down there, and then there's got this one just here. So don't miss it. But yeah, let's carry on this way. Number 81, we're getting there. Yeah, lots of construction here, but it's still beautiful looking down that way. Number 82, yeah. Fragile yet unbreakable. It's pretty cool actually. It's got yeah, like tape or something, you know, that fragile tape all the way around it. It's awesome. We've only got, I don't know if we've got any more. Let me have a look. Okay, so I need to pop down to the Isle of Dogs. There's one there, and then I've got 3 back up near the train line. So yeah, a bit of walking. So yeah, next one here. Pretty cool looking one. I'll come around this side so you can see more better. But the one down at Isle of Dogs was, no, he's not there. It's the other, pretty much halfway across London. And another one, Rebirth. So these are on the top floor, the last one and this one. I just got to find the last one for Canary Wharf. And this is the last one on the rooftop of Canary Wharf. Absolutely beautiful here. But yeah, let's crack on to the next one.
So that was Canary Wharf. It was amazing. So yeah, hit the subscribe button. See you soon.